In this video for CUNY Graduate Center students, I'll show you how to register for Dissertation Supervision in the Schedule Builder software. Only Level 3 doctoral students can register for Dissertation Supervision. Log into your Student Center by scrolling to the bottom of the Graduate Center homepage and clicking on the link for CUNY First. After logging into CUNY First, click on the Student Center tile. You're now in your Student Center. On the next screen, click on the Schedule Builder tile. See the Registering for Courses video for a screen-led walkthrough of these steps. On the Welcome screen, you'll see the current semesters with your specific enrollment appointment information. Click on the semester in which you'd like to enroll. On the left side of the page, in the Select Courses panel, begin typing Dissertation Supervision in the search field to prompt the system to bring up all dissertation supervision sections. Scroll down to select your program and its dissertation supervision sections. Click on your program's abbreviated listing. In the schedule results to the right, click on Class Details toward the top of the screen to toggle section details on, if it's not already blue for On, for example. Then click on the option to show similar options at the bottom of the block to see details for all sections. Advisors are listed on the right side of the block. Scroll until you locate the advisor you would like to register with. Click anywhere on the block with your advisor listed within the darkened gray square, which then places the selection on the right side panel in Schedule Results. Scroll back until you see the turquoise blue button Get This Schedule on the right side of the screen. Click on Get This Schedule. On the next screen, verify that this is the section of dissertation supervision that you'd like to enroll in and that the correct advisor is listed. In the Actions column, confirm that the action is Enroll. Then, if everything is correct, click on the turquoise blue Do Actions button at the bottom of the Action column. The result of the action will load in the Results column on the far right. If you receive the Success, this class is added to your schedule message, your registration has been successful and is complete for this course. If the result is Failed or Error, read the message carefully, which will contain details about the problem. You can either begin again by clicking on the turquoise blue Return to Select Courses button at the bottom of the Result column, or, if you have questions, contact the registrar with a screenshot of the message for which you need clarification. We hope this video helps. If you have any questions, you can always reach our staff by calling us at 212-817-7500. or by writing to us at registrar@gc.cuny.edu. Please see our channel for additional videos designed to assist you with registering properly and to help you navigate the online capacities of student services.